In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circle crop effect using Davinci Resolve. This is a useful technique for focusing on a particular area of your footage, whether it's for highlighting a detail or achieving a creative look. So let's jump right in and get started. First, make sure you are in the Edit page of Davinci Resolve. This is where we will conduct all of our initial interactions with the tools we'll be using for this circle cropping effect. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, the Edit page is where you can find your timeline along with a lot of essential editing tools that make the process smooth and efficient. With your video clip already on the timeline, locate the Effects library. You can find it on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open up the list of available effects and filters. Within this library, you'll want to navigate to the Resolve Effects menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options. For our purposes, look for the Transform effect. Once you've found Transform, simply drag it over to your selected clip on the timeline. This will apply the effect to your clip, and you are now ready to make the necessary adjustments for the circle crop. Next, direct your attention to the Inspector panel, which usually auto-loads on the right side of your screen when you have a clip selected. Within the Inspector, you should see a tab labeled Image Adjustment. Clicking this tab will drop down several options. From here, choose the crop setting to proceed with your circle crop effect. This is where the real magic happens. You need to find the edge rounding slider. By dragging the slider to its maximum, you'll achieve that perfect circle shape instead of a square or rectangular crop. After you've rounded your edges, the next step is all about positioning. Adjust the circle crop until it's exactly where you want it to be on your clip. This might involve moving the circle around until it's centered or focused on a specific part of your video. Don't hesitate to play around with the position to best suit your video's needs. This is an opportunity to ensure that your focal point is exactly where you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a circle crop on your video clip using Davinci Resolve. It's as simple as applying the Transform effect, adjusting the crop with edge rounding, and positioning it correctly. This technique is not only effective, but also allows for more creative freedom when editing your videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Enjoy playing around with your new skill, and happy editing!